Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mike from TeamHira Adventure. Today we're baking a fruit cake and a sponge cake. So we're baking the old fashioned way, like Guyana style. Usually when we bake we use less egg, less sugar. But today we're going to do it the old fashioned way, like how we do it in Guyana. So we can do it that way. So we have the egg with butter. We have ground fruits here. We already was already ground. We bought it from the store. And we have some inside here. We gotta also add this too. And we have cinnamon powder, ground nutmeg, and essence. Alright, so we add the butter, we got the sugar now. Alright, so we gonna mix this up. Alright, so we add the egg one by one. Alright, so we have all the egg in here, 12 eggs. We add it in one by one. We will put 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And so we got the fruits. Usually we normally bake on Christmas Eve, but tomorrow we have to go out. So that's why we bake it today. Whole raisin, we didn't grind this up, we will add this in the mix. Alright, so we have some Eldorado 12 years old, so we got some of this inside. I forgot to add it in before, I have to add it in before, but it's still good, it's okay. If you want the cake get more brown, you can add some browning inside. So this is the fruit one. After this we can make the sponge cake. Alright, so we gotta put this in a pan. and separate it and get to the other sponge cake. The stove is preheating, put it at 350 degrees. Here we are also making some fried plantain. I have a shot of Tito. It's very, very cold outside, 19 degrees and very humid. So no beer today. But I still have bangs beer. Look at the bangs beer. You have bangs beer also. Alright guys, so this is the sponge cake we're making now. We finished make fruit one here. You got the oven preheating right now. So we're mixing the sponge cake right. So I got the butter in here, I'm adding the sugar. I put less sugar in this one, not the same amount as the fruit cake. So we can mix this one. So we got the oven is up to temperature, so we gonna put this two in the meantime to bake. Two fruit cake. Egg in. We got 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Alright, so we got the flour in now. We have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We have some groundnut and egg, some cinnamon, alright guys, so this is the sponge cake now. So we can put this in the oven now to bake. We already have the fruit cake in there. Alright guys, so both cake inside the oven baking right now. But once they're finished, then we're going to take it out and show you what it looks like. In the meantime, we're taking a drink. Enjoy the holiday. Okay guys, so the cake in the oven baking, we're slicing some green plantain to fry. So this is our slicer. And see, it's nice and thin. You can adjust it here. How thick you want it, you can adjust it there with the blade. But this is good. So we're gonna do all one time. We're gonna do like 1 or 2 at a time, so you don't stick together. So we're going to start to fry this and then we're going to start slice the rest. Alright guys, so we're making some tartar sour here. We eat with the plantain chip. You also have this here. You can eat this, the plantain chip with this also. This tastes really good. The pulaury, potato ball, egg ball. Eat it with this. Alright, first set of batch of fried plantain finished. Alright, so we got some salt in this right now. You want the salt when it's hot, so alright, so we can transfer it into this container. Okay, but that's the first set of plantain. Alright guys, so this is the fruit cake. We just take it out of the oven. You got to cool down. This is the sponge cake. This also have to cool down. I hope you guys like this fruit cake we made. Comment, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.